Hello, Physics Nation. My name is Nate Larmond, and I think this is spreadsheet video 6, 5. I don't even know. I'm struggling. That's the ironic part about this e-learning. I'm digitally illiterate, and I'm trying to teach you how to work spreadsheets. So for some reason, when I was selecting, X, hold control Y, it was not coming up as the selected data range here. And I don't know, I'm doing something stupid. Anyway, I'll get to the bottom of it. We got cut off when we were labeling this graph. So this is heart rate, dependent variable in beats per minute. And our independent variable is time. Well, pace is true, but again, that's the qualitative version. Time in seconds. Okay, this is the quantitative version. All right, so we have accurate labels. Whoops, I didn't label the entire thing. Okay, so let's do heart rate as a function of time to do 20 step-ups. There you go. All right, so labels are looking good. Let's fix the axes. I like it when the x-axis starts from 0. And let's do a little space over here, like that. Let's fix the y-axis. I don't like it when the data bumps up against the top of the graph, so how about the maximum of 160? How about that? Right, and this is a pretty typical result, which is surprising to students. Again, a small amount of time means you're going fast. So Dom did 20 lifts in about 30 seconds, very fast. And over here, big time, that is around 70 seconds, means slow. So fast is on the left and slow is on the right. Time and speed are inversely proportional, another inverse relationship, just like time and power. Anyway, let's add a trend line. Let's click series and add a trend line. And this pattern is so clear, you really don't need the trend line. There is basically no change. Dom's heart rate went from like 148 to 146, like went up to 151, barely changed at all. So that's pretty weird. Oh, excuse me, from 132 up to 150, back down to 141. So hardly any change. And again, this is a pretty surprising result to a lot of students. So you would say the null hypothesis is supported. I mean, we're not going to do standard deviation and say this is whatever, statistically significant, but it looks like it's not significant. We more than doubled the time and had very little change in heart rate. So now it's time to actually assemble the lab report. The graphs and the tables are obviously important components. Let's just go to Drive and open up a new doc and start throwing these components in here. So let's get this graph here, click the 3 dots, copy chart. Right click, paste. Yeah, I like it when it's linked. That looks great. Let's grab this other one, hit that, copy chart. Go to the next line, paste it. I think the font is going to give us trouble. I wanted it to be, visually clear when we were making this thing, but now I think the font's going to cause a problem when we cut and paste. Let's try it anyway. Right click, copy, and paste. See how this looks. Wow. So that's sort of what I thought was going to happen. Yeah, let's undo that paste. So let's come back here. Let's select all. Let's shrink the font to 12. Is that reasonable? Yeah, let's auto fit. Whoa, no. I don't know what that's auto fitting to. That looks a whole lot better. So can I now paste this in here? Right click, copy. Let's see if this looks any better. Right click, paste. Looks great. Well, almost great. We can fix these parentheses just a little bit here. Whoops.